Have you ever heard of the city of Pompeii? Pompeii is a vast archaeological site in southern Italy's Campania region, near the coast of the Bay of Naples. Once a thriving and sophisticated Roman city, Pompeii was buried under meters of ash and pumice after the catastrophic eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. The preserved site features excavated ruins of streets and houses that visitors can freely explore. When Mount Vesuvius erupted in 79 AD, the devastation it caused was unprecedented. Around 2,000 people died in Pompeii, and 300 are known to have died in Herculaneum. However, the entire death toll could have been around 16,000. In this video, we will break down the devastation of the eruption and how it started and ended. Pompeii before the eruption. Established in the 6th century BC, Pompeii evolved into a vibrant hub of trade, commerce, and culture. Its strategic location along the Bay of Naples contributed to its economic prosperity, attracting merchants and traders from various parts of the Roman Empire. The city boasted well-planned streets, impressive public buildings, and luxurious private residences adorned with frescoes and intricate mosaics. Pompeii was home to a diverse population, including wealthy merchants, artisans, and a thriving middle class. The Forum, a central square, served as the heart of civic life, surrounded by temples, government buildings, and markets. The amphitheater, capable of hosting large crowds, reflected the city's penchant for entertainment. Pompeians enjoyed a sophisticated lifestyle with public baths, theaters, and a renowned network of brothels. The city's residents engaged in a variety of cultural and recreational activities, evidence of which was preserved in the archaeological remains. Early signs of activity. Historical records indicate that Mount Vesuvius had shown signs of unrest in the decades leading up to the catastrophic eruption in 79 AD. Earthquakes were experienced, and there were reports of increased thermal and seismic activity. However, these warning signs were not enough to prompt residents to abandon the area, especially in this time period with no technology. The eruption. The infamous eruption occurred in 79 AD, burying Pompeii and nearby towns under a thick layer of volcanic ash and pumice. The eruption is believed to have started on August 24th, with the initial phase marked by a series of explosions. The volcanic cloud reached a height of over 20 miles, and volcanic ash and debris rained down on Pompeii, trapping and killing thousands of people. The eruption of Vesuvius was particularly devastating for Pompeii due to the pyroclastic flows, which is a fast-moving mixture of hot gas, ash, and volcanic rocks. These flows overwhelmed the city, instantly killing its inhabitants and preserving the structures and artifacts under of ash, even preserving human bodies in their final living position. Rediscovery of Pompeii. Pompeii was forgotten over the centuries, and its location was lost to history. The rediscovery of the city began in the 16th century when architectural remains were accidentally unearthed during the digging of a canal. However, systematic excavation didn't begin until the 18th century, revealing the remarkably well-preserved city frozen in time. Now the city can be visited and remains a historic site. Archaeological significance. The excavation of Pompeii has provided unparalleled insights into daily life in ancient Rome. The preserved buildings, artifacts, and even human remains have allowed historians and archaeologists to reconstruct aspects of Roman society, architecture, art, and culture. It opens eyes to scientists on the fact that the city itself was erased then found again. Maybe this means there could be other cities like Pompeii, frozen in time. Scientific understanding. The study of Mount Vesuvius and its eruptions has significantly advanced our understanding of volcanic activity. The lessons learned from the destruction of Pompeii continue to influence modern volcanic hazard assessment and disaster preparedness. helping us prepare for eruptions in the future. Eruptions like the Vesuvius shows the possible devastation that can be caused by volcanoes. Ongoing threat. Mount Vesuvius remains an active volcano with the potential for future eruptions. Efforts are underway to monitor and mitigate the risks associated with living in the vicinity of this iconic but perilous geological feature. In conclusion, the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD and the preservation of Pompeii left an indelible mark on history, providing a unique window into the ancient Roman world and serving as a reminder of the unpredictable forces of nature. Like always, hoped you enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a thumbs up and subscribe.